Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To wake up.
Despertarse.
To get up.
Levantarse.
To brush teeth.
Cepillarse los dientes.
To wash face.
Lavarse la cara.
To have breakfast.
Desayunar.
To take a shower.
Ducharse.
To go to work.
Ir al trabajo.
To go to school.
Ir a la escuela.
To study.
Estudiar.
To work.
Trabajar.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.